Imagine you have a problem where you need to deal with line breaks in an Excel cell. The issue arises when you want to replace the line breaks within the cell with specific characters like backslash or backslash in to format SQL queries as one-liners for documentation purposes. This problem can be quite tricky, but worry not, as there's a simple solution to tackle this. In the solution provided, you can use the substitute function in Excel to replace the line breaks effectively. By using the nested substitute function twice, you can first replace char 10, lf, line feed, with backslash or backslash in, and then replace char 13, cr, carriage return, with an empty string. This clever approach ensures that the line breaks are replaced accurately within the cell, enabling you to create well-formatted SQL queries presented in a single line. Continuing with the solution, the nested substitute function effectively transforms the text within the Excel cell. By replacing the line breaks as specified, the function outputs the text with the wanted backslash or backslash in formatting. This step-by-step approach ensures that each line break is handled correctly, resulting in a clean and concise representation of the SQL query within the Excel cell. Furthermore, to address more complex scenarios, such as escaping special characters like squared brackets and backslashes for SQL queries, additional nested substitute functions can be utilized. By extending the initial approach with more substitute functions, you can tailor the text within the cell to fit specific requirements, ensuring a seamless integration of the SQL queries in your documentation. To summarize, handling line breaks in Excel cells to format SQL queries can be easily achieved with the substitute function. By strategically replacing line breaks with the desired characters, you can neatly structure your SQL queries for better readability and documentation. So go ahead, try out these Excel functions, and streamline your SQL query formatting like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your Excel escapades. Who said Excel couldn't be fun, right?